tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 minus cot inverse 3. We have to evaluate it. Okay, as we know the formula of 2 tan inverse x is equals to, in the form of tan inverse, it will be tan inverse 2 into x upon 1 minus x square. We have to use here 2 tan inverse 1 by 2, the formula of 2 tan inverse x. Then 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 will be tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, and the second formula I'm going to use here, as we know if x is greater than 0, then cot inverse x will be equals to tan inverse 1 by x if x is greater than 0. Okay, then here 3 is greater than 0, that's why cot inverse 3 will be tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, these two formula I'm going to use in this question. Solution will be, the given question is tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 minus cot inverse 3 is equals to tan of, with the help of this formula, it will be tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square will be 1 by 4 plus, minus cot inverse 3 will be in the form of tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, here simply I am going with formula, I am going with a simple calculation. Then it will be, here is tan, it will be tan of tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 will be 1 upon 4 minus 1 by 4 means 3 by 4 minus tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, which is equals to tan of tan inverse 4 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, since we know the formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, when xy is less than minus 1. Okay, then we can use here this formula. It will become tan of tan inverse x minus y means 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3 upon 1 plus the product of x and y means 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. Okay, then it will become tan of tan inverse 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, denominator is same, then it will be 4 minus 1 by 3 means 3 by 3, it will become 1 upon 3 3 is 9, then it will be 9 plus 4 1 is 4 by 3 3 is 9. Okay, then it will be tan of tan inverse 9 by 13. Okay, the answer will be 9 by 13 answer, since tan of tan inverse something will be something. Okay, question number 10, fourth, we have to find the value of the given question. The question is sine of 2 tan inverse 2 by 3 plus cos of tan inverse root 3. As we can see here clearly, we know the formula of tan inverse root 3 means the value of tan inverse root 3 will be pi by 3. Okay, and that's why we can easily write here pi by 3. Okay, then it will become cos of pi by 3, and we know the value of cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Then the second term will be at last 1 by 2. Okay, we are going to solve this here. This is 2 tan inverse 2 by 3, and the formula of 2 tan inverse x in the form of sine is, I'm going to write here 2 tan inverse x. The formula of 2 tan inverse x in the form of sine inverse is sine inverse 2 into x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, this is the formula of 2 tan inverse x in the form of sin inverse x. I am going to use this formula in the question here. Then our question will become sine of 2 tan inverse 2 by 3 plus cos of tan inverse root 3 is equals to sine of sine inverse. With the help of this formula, it will become 2 times 2 by 3 upon 1 plus the whole square of 2 by 3 will be 4 by 9 plus cos of the value of tan inverse root 3 will be pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3 means 60 degree. Okay, now sine inverse 2 into 2 by 3 will be 4 by 3 upon this will be 9 plus 4 by 9, 9 plus 4 will be 13, 13 by 9, it will be 13 by 9. Okay, plus the value of cos of pi by 3 will be 1 by 2. This is equals to sine inverse 4 by 3 into the reciprocal of 13 by 9 will be 9 by 13 plus cos of pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Okay, sine inverse 4 by 3 into 9 by 13 will be 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12, means sine inverse 12 by 13 plus 1 by 2, which is equals to, as we know, sine inverse 12 by 13 will be 12 by 13 plus 1 by 2. And the calculation will be, here the denominator will be 26 and here it will be 12 2s are 24 plus 13th, and which is equals to 24 plus 13 will be 37, I think 37, 4 3, 37 upon 26. This is our answer. This is the value of the given question. Okay, next question. Question number 11. We have to solve this question for x. Means we have to find the value of x for solving this question. Okay. Solution will be, the given question is cos inverse sine of cos inverse x is equals to pi by 6. Then it will become sine of, if we transfer cos inverse in right hand side, then it will be sine of cos inverse x is equals to cos of pi by 6. Okay, as we know, the value of cos pi by 6 is root over 3 by 2. Then it will be root over 3 by 2, it will be root over 3 by 2, and I am going to convert sine cos inverse in the form of sine. Cos inverse in the form of sine. This is cos inverse x. Going to make a triangle. Then this is x and this is 1. Then perpendicular will be 1 minus x square. Then sine inverse x will be cos inverse x is equals to sine inverse under root 1 minus x square upon 1. Okay, sine inverse under root 1 minus x square upon 1. Then sine of cos inverse x will become in the form of sine inverse, the cos inverse x will be sine inverse under root 1 minus x square upon 1, means under root 1 minus x square, which is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, since sine inverse something will be equals to something, it will be 1 minus x square is equals to root over 3 by 2. This implies that I'm going to square on both sides, then it will be 1 minus x square is equals to 3 by 4. This implies that going to multiply by 4 in left side, then it will be 4 minus 4x square is equals to 3. This will become I'm going to take 3 in right side and minus 4 square in 3 in left side and minus 4 square in right side, like this. Then this is 4 minus 3 is equals to 4x square, which is equals to 4 minus 3 will be 1 is equals to 4x square. Okay, since it will be x square is equals to 1 by 4, that's why x will be equals to plus minus 1 upon 2. This is our answer. Okay, students.